Stop wasting 5 hours a week on manual emails and intake forms by building a completely automated client onboarding workflow for solo service businesses. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into building an automated client onboarding workflow for solo service businesses. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what building an automated client onboarding workflow for solo service